Hello everyone, and welcome to another highlight lighting tutorial. So today we're going to talk about our LED backlight module tape. So this module tape operates at 12 volt constant voltage with a power consumption of 0.72 watts per module. It has a 170 degrees beam angle and therefore ideal for single-sided light boxes with 3.5 to 10 centimeter depth. So the modules are arranged at 80mm intervals along a chain and can be cut to size and easily linked together using connectors. Now what you will also need is a one-sided or a double-sided bus bar, which is available on our website. Now this bus bar have connectors on top which are useful for creating uniform coverage chains of modules by just plugging in each chain in the connectors. Now for both types of bus bar, you can have a maximum of 266 plugged in modules per bar and no more than 38 modules per connector. Now this does have cut-in points just in case you have to cut down to length, and you will also be able to do any soldering if needed. So at the end of each bus bar you have a male or female connection, because depending on the dimension of your box light you may want to extend the bus bar if you need to. So we're gonna go ahead and create a small chain as an example. But please do make sure to expose the terminals before trying to slot in the modules into the connector, otherwise it will not work. And then we're going to cut at the beginning of the bus bar to expose the negative and the positive wire to have our current coming through. And once you've linked all of your chains to the bus bar, you can go ahead and set everything up within your light box. For more information, you can visit our website, highlightlighting.co.uk. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button underneath this video. You can also follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.